certified by Weather Rates for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Oh, kick it off with a live look right now at the square, downtown Springfield. All the snow and ice gone. Conditions are dry. Temperatures typically cold for this time of year. 37 right now. Light winds out of the west-northwest. Here's a look at the readings across the area. We've got 30s to the north, 40s to the south. It was once again colder here up near and north of Highway 54, where we're still in that process of melting away snow and ice from all the wintry weather last week into this past weekend. I think with today's temperatures and afternoon sunshine, we probably put to bed most of that snow and ice. Further south, it was a much warmer day. We had a lot of sunshine across southern Missouri and in northern Arkansas, near 60 in Harrison, 53 this afternoon in Springfield. So you can see how we've once again climbed out of the hole that we dug ourselves last week into this past weekend. A cold stretch of weather, particularly that Thursday through Saturday time frame, and the snow and ice cover had a lot to do with those low afternoon highs. Looking off to the west, we find unsettled weather on the west coast. That is our next storm that won't arrive in our area until Wednesday, so we've got some nice weather between now and then to enjoy, and currently we are finding clear skies just about area-wide. There is low cloudiness, though, here up toward parts of Miller, Marys, into Phelps County here. This has been an area where it has been tough to get rid of the cloud cover. We did see some sun develop this afternoon. Now the clouds have rolled back in, but they will not be there tomorrow morning, and we will find a much brighter day across these areas that have not seen as much sunshine as areas further southwest tomorrow. As far as the pattern, we've got high pressure, which will be building in at the surface. So with the very light winds, still that leftover residual moisture and the clear skies, it looks like we are going to find some foggy areas to start off our Tuesday, but that should quickly give way to sunshine. And I think we will find sunny skies developing in the morning, and then that will give way to increasing high cloudiness during the afternoon that will provide us with some filtered sun and what should be a beautiful sunset tomorrow. Temperatures also feeling pretty good, topping out in the low to mid 50s. Tomorrow night, partly starry skies, and it looks like for Wednesday, we will find rain building in during the morning hours, at least over western Missouri and northwest Arkansas. But you'll notice areas along and east of Highway 63, the rain may be knocking on the door, but I think it's going to hold off on coming in until it looks like it would be Wednesday night. So we're going to get through Wednesday with dry conditions, but areas further west, it'll be wet, and with that, it'll be colder as well. So let's talk temperatures. Tonight looks like a low of 26. Tomorrow looks like highs ranging from near 50 northeast to mid to possibly upper 50s again here over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. About 54, I think, for a high in Springfield. Tomorrow night, not as cold. Looks like moisture coming in, more cloud cover. That's going to keep temperatures from getting down to freezing in a lot of spots, including Springfield, 35 for the low. For Wednesday, looks like low to mid 40s west, while areas to the east will find highs in the upper 40s. Now, getting into that pattern beyond Wednesday, it gets interesting again, as we're going to find really some pockets of upper level energy consolidating into one storm that will take a track to the south of our area. And with that upper level storm passing south of our area across central Arkansas, eventually into Mississippi, what we will find is the atmosphere, and I think as this storm develops, the atmosphere is going to be cooling off, getting colder, and we should find a transition from rain to snow sometime Wednesday evening, maybe mid to late evening. And then after that, we will find a wet snowfall for the remainder of the night into at least Thursday morning, tapering off, I think, Thursday afternoon. And I think a pretty good chunk of the area, particularly focused here, I think, across southern Missouri into northern Arkansas, will see a wet snowfall. As far as accumulations, there's some factors in favor and factors against. One of the factors in favor is the fact that this storm is going to come in at night. One thing that's going to work against snow totals is that temperatures are going to be very marginally cold enough at the surface. Looks like we may see temperatures down near freezing. So there may be some melting as the snow tries to accumulate. But that said, I still think that we will see at least light accumulations of 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches. But I'll go ahead and throw it out there. There are a lot of models that are showing quite a bit more than that. It's just that we're so far out. Just looking at all the data, I think the safest bet right now is to go for about a 1 to 2, possibly 3 inch snowfall event. It looks like it's going to be an event where roads will stay mainly wet. So I don't expect major travel concerns, but should be pretty, I think, to start off the day on Thursday. And if we do get that snow, that's going to have an impact on how warm we're able to get, especially on Thursday, but likely even into Friday, possibly Saturday. It's just sort of suppressing those afternoon highs. And John, we could see another round of light snow come into the area Saturday night into Sunday.
All right, it's going to stay chilly after that, too.
It's going to stay cold.
All right, Jamie, thank you. Well, still to come for you tonight, the first nurse in the U.S. to receive the COVID-19 vaccine has now been given her second dose. Her message to Americans coming up.